Okay, so finally that's a good news that we are back here from our flight, and we're gonna see how it's gonna get linked. We're gonna see that how it's getting unlinked firstly. So first things first, you will have to set the controller to the RC2 Pro, and you have to disconnect this controller, and you're gonna get it connected to the Avata 2. So firstly, you're gonna hold up this button over here, and it's gonna start blinking out. So it's gonna get into the connection mode, and eventually you're gonna switch it from the inside to the Avata 2. And yes, we are gonna turn on the Avata 2 also. You have to go to the status, and you're gonna have to click switch and get it back to the DJI Avata 2, and have to click switch. So it's gonna switch successfully, and as you can see, we have the DJI Avata 2 with us. So now it's gonna get directly this control. If you're gonna see go fly, you're gonna get a clean feed from this thing DJI Air 3. So we are done once again. The Avata 2 has been paired out with these goggles, and for sure we can have the signals once again. So thank you for watching.